Good morning, my dear kids. Welcome to the English classes. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we will begin final term syllabus. So we will start new chapter number 6 of your honeysuckle book titled Who I Am. This chapter is divided into two parts. Let us start with the part 1, Many Voices. Before starting it, let me start by asking one question. All of us have dreams of being successful. We need to observe and to see what we like and in which thing we have interest. Many of us study well and get good grades, and we don't know what to do with our lives. So, we have different personalities, goals, and targets in our life, which cannot be compared with other person, as we are different kind of personalities. Let's begin the introductory lines of the chapter. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. This chapter explains the personality, uniqueness, and interest of 6 different children. That is Radha, Nasir, Rohit, Sabjit, Tolma, and Peter. So we will read what different qualities they have. We will begin with Radha. So, paragraph number 1. My favorite activity is climbing tree. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree, which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork. Fork means a point where part of a tree divides into two parts of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible. Sensible means full of common sense for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So, in this paragraph, Radha is sharing her likings. She relates that her choicest thing means her favorite activity was to climb trees. Outside her house, there was a mango tree. She loved to climb that tree. Its branches covered a large area, which made it easier to climb and sit in the part of the tree. Her mother tried to stop her from climbing trees by saying that it is not good for girls. But one noon she also climbed with her, and two, means Radha and her mother, were able to enjoy talking and eating raw mangoes. Radha said that climbing trees made her feel that if she could rule the whole world. Now, second paragraph, Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown. Sown means to put seeds to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds. Preserve means to keep something as it is. Protect, so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Now, Nasir says that once he grows up, he would like to be a seed collector, as his family had cotton fields, and every year his father had to spend a good amount of money on buying seeds to grow cotton plants. He wanted to stop this spending amount. His grandfather told him that in their times they used to get seeds from their own plants. These seeds were used to grow new plants. He wanted to search the ways to preserve seeds as it would help them to save money. Now, Rohit, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down in the Amazon River in South America on a raft. Raft is a floating structure to travel across water bodies. I want to live on the beaches. Beaches means seaside of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. Coral are hard substance formed from bones of very small sea animals. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Odisha or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. Rohit is sharing his interest. His passion is for traveling. He says that if he had a big amount of money, he would like to travel a lot. He wished to visit the mountains of New Zealand because they look good on magazines. He also wanted to raft on Amazon River in South America. He wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep also and dive down to see coral. His wish list also included Konark Temple in Odisha, Old City in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt. But more than buildings, his wish was to be within nature. He likes to see and enjoy nature. Now we'll talk about Sarbjeet. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book. Borrowed means someone has taken from him and forgot to return it. Or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight. Or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. The explanation of this paragraph. So Sarbjeet felt that people don't believe him when he spoke the truth also. They thought that he was lying to them. But if he could not complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and he did not return it, so he could not get good marks in spite of the fact that he studied. But it was a matter of fight which he did not start, rather his brother did that. No one was ready to believe him, neither his teachers nor his parents. He tried to control his anger by looking down at shoes and counting to 10. Tolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So Dolma wanted to be the Prime Minister of India as she wanted to serve and make things better for everyone. But people used to laugh at her ambition. But she was sure that she would achieve it. Whenever her classmates were in trouble, they used to ask the solutions from Dolma. Her teachers showed interest in her whenever something new was to be done in the school. She said that she wanted to make good hospitals, roads, and schools for the country. She also wanted that capable scientists should be there so that cures for diseases could be found and spaceships to Mars could be sent. Now, lastly, we will talk about Peter. My favorite day is second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. Peter's favorite day was second Sunday of the month. On this day, their family used to go out to watch a film, and his father would have tickets before in hand and inform them. They all, his parents, grandmother, two brothers, and himself, would take a bus to reach the cinema hall. And during the break, his father buys peanuts, and they all, especially he, loved to eat in the darkness of the hall while watching the film. And after the film is over, they would stop to eat ice cream. This kept everyone in a good mood, and they took it as a fortune that they were a happy family. So, my dear children, you will also read this chapter. So, in this chapter, I've told you about 6 different children having different personalities. That is Radha, who wanted to climb mango tree; Nasir, who wanted to become seed collector; Rohit, he wants to travel all over the world; and Sarabjit, he says about his angerness. Dolma wants to become the Prime Minister of India; and Peter, he says about the best days of his life. I will explain you answer the following questions. In the exam, it will come in the question answers. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on this day his family goes out for outing. Second one, Nasir wants to learn. He wants to learn the art of seed preservation. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she has leadership qualities in her. People come to her for ideas to begin new things and solutions to solve their problems. My dear children, this was the chapter. You will also read the chapter, and after reading this chapter, you will write about yourself in the same pattern, what you like, what you wanted to become, and other things. So, goodbye to all. Thank you all. God bless you all.